Hi, my name is Christopher White. I'm from Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, and this is a CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript, Project 1, titled Wiki. As you can see, this is our first page. It's the index page. It has all of the links to all of the entries that are in our list. It also has the functions on the left, which resets the home page, create new page and random page, all that we'll discuss later, and as well as the search bar. The second page is our entry page. You can see that if you search something, the page entry comes up. More on the search function later, but you can see this displays the entry through the utilities.py function getEntry. It has the title as well as all the information in the page. If you search for a page that doesn't exist, say it will give you an error saying this page does not exist. Please create one. On that note, I think we'll go to the create page function. The create page function, you can see that we have a text area or a form with the text area and a title input. Both of these, you can see if I try to submit it, it won't allow it because the fields aren't filled. And that goes the same for both the content and the title. So the page that we'll create is the Bitcoin page. You can see that once we type in all the information as well as the Markdown text, you can see that it will go to the next page and it'll display what our page says. You can see that we also have an edit function, which allows us to change the page. If I can, I'll just delete this information here. I'll press the edit page, and then you can see that the newly edited page is displayed. The additional function is our search bar. You can see that if we type in something and it exists, it'll take you directly to that page. However, if you type in something that is a substring of the list, it will display all of the list. In this case, we chose the word coin, and we get altcoins, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Litecoin. And as I showed you later, if we type in something that doesn't exist, it will take us to an error page. The final function is our random page. You can see that if we press random page, it'll take us to randomly select whichever page is in the list of entries. The final specification for this project was to convert the Markdown text. You can see if I go to Markdown here and I go to Edit, you can see that the Markdown text is displayed in this. Unfortunately, the other titles in the entry don't have the HTML text or the Markdown text displayed, but this one does. You can see that it's got the header versus the hash sign, the 1 for the large header, the 2 for the H2, and also other links and colors. And when I edit the page, you can see that's what the Markdown text displays. Anyways, that's my project. Thanks for taking a look at it. It was a pleasure to do it. You can see that we've changed the style a little bit to bullets and the color so that it changes. Thank you. Bye.